Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. Say what you want to say, 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 what you want no one.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How is everybody doing today? Let's get it. Not gonna lie, we're a little drunk. We are a little bit drunk. Just got back from Sukhumvit Soy 11. What a fucking shit show that place is. Yeah. Trading. Let's do it. I still haven't set up the 150k account. Maybe I'll do that on the stream today, just so I get it done. You know, kind of needs to get done. I should already have it in play today. What's up, Math? How are you, brother? Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome back. Not gonna lie, I'm half cut. I had like 6 beers or 7 beers. Darwinith X0? No, I never have. I don't know what it is. Longing yes right now. Maybe I'll do it with you. God, they did game me hourly. Let's have a look quickly. Switch the charts. You're longing this right here, right now. What's up, Lev? Welcome in, welcome in. I don't know, man. I think this looks kind of like they're gonna take something a little bit lower. Here would have been the place to long it. On this. Oh, this is the market open, I guess. Shit, I'm late. You think they're gonna break out? They might. I can't get into any positions now. Look at me. I'm so out of position. It's ridiculous. I get to the fucking market right as it's opening. God damn it. The 4-hour test you long, yeah? Yeah. That's a little bit more that's a little bit more understandable. Sure. Not here. Or this imbalance right here would have been a nice one to long. Top of this. Nice trade. I would have already been out of it. Yeah, I'm not a professional. Darwin X0, eh? Good funding. I'll check it out. Really, I've just been dropping the ball here, man. I didn't even put out a YouTube video or shit. I just got to Bangkok and just like, that's it. It was over. Hard to keep on top of shit. This long's probably good until I clear this. Fuck, Bitcoin kind of ripped it, yeah? 65. Shit. I haven't even checked in on this shit at all. Funding company you heard about yesterday. I'll check it out. I think back to 62 on Bitcoin. Oh, what are we doing here, man? Like, we're gonna make new highs here. This is gonna get interesting right away on ES. I wonder if we'll go up to here. This little guy up here, 56, maybe. Yeah. It's kind of where I like it. There's an imbalance there. Kind of like them to. I'm sure that will play. If not, this one right above it will. This is kind of the area for ES, right? In that zone somewhere. Kind of a big zone, but 5680. Yeah, 5684 is what I have on my chart, but yeah. Between 79 and 79 and 84 is the first area. Nice trade. Honestly, I would take a piece off just right here, on a sweep of this. Probably get a chance to re-add too, right? I kind of did that. Only have one mini. Micro or mini? Darwood Zero, I guess it's some funding, some prop firm. Mathematique found. Mini big balls, yeah. I think I'm gonna do the minis with the 150K. Sorry, man. You know, I'm drunk. I have to eat some chips. Just how it goes. I was coming back with my girlfriend and she's like, "You're gonna stream?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I have to." I said I didn't put any videos or anything since we got here, and she was like, "Well, I'm going to go do my nails." And I was like, "Okay, go." I think you're still good, bud. I don't really like it either, but if I was long. So I told you should take. Did you take a profit here? You only have one. That's right now. Just have a look. I mean, they're in the area to hold it, right? As long as they hold this, so it's all good. I already tested the bottom of it. As long as they hold above there, it's fine. Would have been a good re-add spot. They tested the bottom of it, right? So, as long as they hold there. Yeah. It's a good target, man. I have it at... that's the line that I would have. I would be front running that line, so I would put it at 79. If I was in the trade. But if I was in the trade, I'd have 3 and I'd be taking one right here. And who are we kidding? As soon as we got to like 75, I'd be pushing the rest. Because I'm a pussy like that. BTC? I don't know. BTC. You guys remember what I said, right? I said if we start gaining above this level here, right? Around 61, or I said call it 60. If we start having 4-hour closes above 60, we're good to go for longs, right? So we did. So it gave you lots of opportunity to get long, right? This one here was the main one. This here was the main one. Then when they gain this, oh shit. Sorry, a bit drunk. When they gain this here, this was the second entry. Now we're definitely at a resistance spot, you know what I mean? So the next thing to come back to test is like this area, right? I should clean up this chart. It's getting a little messy. But the next thing to come back and test is between 62 and 61 in that area. It's kind of the area to hold now. So they have to hold this for continuation up. If they held here and continued, that'd be huge. That'd be very, very bullish. But so I would think that they're going to come back into this zone here. This will also be a very good zone for longs. It looks like they're failing. Like they're rejecting a proper spot, right? This is the 4-hour failure to gain right here. Right here. So that's exactly where they're rejecting it. So they're rejecting a proper spot, and then they failed an inside 15 or an inside 4-hour trend. So I don't know. Looks okay for a short down to 61-ish. I mean, oil is as predictable as anything else. We can look at oil. Fuck, I'm probably not even gonna trade, man. Honestly. I'm drunk. Setups are gone. The only thing I'd be interested in doing is shorting this. Just so like maybe way up here, a short. Or if we see an inside 15 failure. There's not even anything here, man. What am I gonna short that? No. Let me just look at this for a sec, guys, and see if I can get a trade in here somewhere. Holy shit. We're really going for it, yeah? Yeah, I can't really short anything here. Till we get up to here. So, long ways away still. So I guess look for continuation. I don't know. I don't like buying continuation right off the top, you know? Like buying a breakout. If I was here for that, that would have been interesting to buy. They closed this below this 1 hour. In 17 minutes, this is not going to look very good. It's going to look like it's going back down to test something lower. We should honestly be gearing up for a short here, boys. Just in case. Just in case, boys. I would think down to here if they fail it. At least. That's tested. Yeah, so this is lining up with this too. So this is already tested, but I would think down to there. Down to this, you know. This stuff over here. Yeah, this. Yeah, I would think this. Just move this right over. That area is where I would think it would short to. If we do start seeing a short play out. Can already kind of put in shorts, man, honestly. This is starting to look shortish. If they do another test up here, I think I'm going to. Drunk trading, let's go. How far is this? Oh, that's not too far. I'm trading against Mathematique. Right against them. Oh, guess I'm in. Like to see this fail here. Uh-oh. Oh, we need this to fail. Right here, right now. Or it's not gonna look good. Just dunk it, man. Maybe I'm not good at trading drunk. Drunk shorting ES, let's go. I wish I had the 150k account set up. Kind of dropped the ball on that this weekend. That stop's good enough, man, really. I'm gonna be moving it up even. I really don't want it above that. We need this lower than this, really. Well, drunk shorting ES. Oh yeah, we were gonna look at oil. Kinda got into a trade now. I wanna watch it. How's this guy? Ooh, how's SDIG? SDIG. Still up there, man. Still going. I still have a lot of this position. What else? There was another one that like ripped. That I had one of these. This guy down 8% today. Oh, that sucks. I'm into this from here. I think I started buying here. We'll see. See if it pans out. Just dunk it, man. Just dunk it, ES. One time for Bangkok. Let's go. Really, I can move this up. I should take one off here. What do you think, boys? I think one comes off here. And the rest, we're gonna move the stop up a bit. Don't slut me out here, man. Just fucking Give it to me, you know? What happened here? Oh, great. Are you kidding me with that? You know? Like, what is going on here, dude, with this? The software is like, it's good, but then it doesn't act the greatest all the time. Yeah, there's really nothing else. This is it. It's either failing here or you're gaining. Fail it here or gain. You cock. I'm gonna move this one up to here. Just try to get that. Try to get this. Alright. Or stop out. Stop out probably. Most likely stop out. Maybe I am a good drunk trader. Maybe I am. Just fucking dunk it, boys. This is just gonna get stopped out. I already know. I got my $13 realized profit. This will be a break-even trade if I get stopped out around. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not, boys. We're basically failing the 15 here. It's an inside trend fail, but still a failure nonetheless. Not bad. Not too shabby. Where's my vape, man? Let's get a fucking vape. Oh god, yeah. That's a good vape. You know, NQ is like dumping it. Why can't this guy? Just dunk it, man. It's dunk time. Anything here I can get into? Oh yeah. Let's see about it right here right now. Try it. We'll try it. Market smash long. Nah. How's the 4 hour even look? Yeah, I mean, like, just doji. Just dojis for as far as the eye can see. Looks like they're holding for sure. Usually, like when they're at like all-time highs like this, and it's hard to break through. Lots of times they take liquidity first, man. I wouldn't be surprised if they took liquidity all the way down to here first, man, before they rip it. I think at least below the 4 hour. We'll see though. Not a bad little one. And this guy, we're gonna market sell one right here. And we're gonna market buy one right here. Thank you. Thank you. And then we're just gonna have stop and profit for that one. Suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a dick. Get the stop and profit. Get the limit at the bottom here. Try to get another 60 bucks out of it. You should actually look at the bigger time frame. These guys did have 4 hour closes above, so this kind of looks like they're you know, if they're gonna fail this, they're gonna fail this all the way down to here, not just down to here. This is kind of an important level, actually. Be a good re-add area. Could be a good re-add area. Lev, I will look at CL now. I'll look at CL for you, okay? Yeah, really? That's hilarious. That's super funny. Dude, those guys are traders with just a shit ton of money. So they're trying to make, like, you know, they're trying to make it like a little bit easier for prop firm without so many rules. Yeah, maybe I'll just exit all these positions. Call it a day. What do you think? Flatten? They're just kind of holding this. I think I'll just leave it. Fuck it. Stops in profit just on Russell. On this, it's, you know, pretty small, but it doesn't really matter. It is small, not in profit, but if I get stopped out here, it'll be break even anyway. I took one profit target, so yeah, you're right, Math. Fuck it, I'm leaving it. What? Oh, Russell doesn't look good. Looks like stop out coming on Russell. We try though. I did get one profit target out of this. At least. I still have to look at oil for you, Lev. I'm all like caught up in the futures trading. I think this is getting stopped out. Let me just watch the stop out, and then we'll continue on. I hate you. Shitty place to put a stop, but what are you gonna do? CL one bang. Let's check it. Let's check it out. Gaining the daily here. Before. At the daily continuation down spot. You're long in this already? You long the sweep of this, yeah? I mean, this is a you need to be taking targets here. This is a target spot. Remember I outlined this for you last time, 78, 77. So whatever you long down here, you need to take profits here. At least some. And then keep like you should take most profits there and then leave the runner. Since 71, yeah, like now is today's profit day for you, brother. I think it would be for me. If you really want to push it, it's like 78. That's it. 77. I have it right here, right? 77, 78. In that range. I mean, we're pretty close right now. Kind of the area that you want to be looking at to sell at least some, right? If you want to keep a little runner, keep a runner, sure. If they do turn this around, then you're targeting above this, right? But who knows if that's gonna happen. Yeah, like we're at a pretty big area for them to reject, right? This is a rejection zone spot right here. So like they're basically right at it right here right now. So, you know, take it for what it's worth, I guess. What else did you say? MSRT. Let's check it. MSRT upside. Well, let me have a look. Wow. Wow, look at this thing. Let's look at the weekly instead. Wow, talk about fucking holding the lows, yeah? This would have been an awesome trade. 12 bucks. So, if you just do a fib on it, I don't know if you use fibs. I use them sometimes, but if you do a fib from the highs to this low here, we got to the 1618. So that's the spot for rejection more down, right? This kind of looks like it's gonna go lower. I would think it's gonna go back down to like around 92 bucks in that area. We didn't really get a proper test on this. This is an untested area, right? They blasted off. So, you know, around the 618, I would think they're gonna test this whole range again, at least around 81. From there, I could definitely see them going higher again, right? If they continue the trend. So if they hold that, then to the upside, it's going to be if they get to 81. So the 618 is going to be around here. Around 280 would be the upside potential. 280 before the big turnaround. The problem with this is they made it to the 618, right? So like this is a big area for rejection. So that's the turnaround spot, the 618, right? So it's, you know. They didn't really test this properly to the downside, you know. They didn't get to it, so I would think that they're gonna go back between 90 and 80 before heading like higher again. They tested that, so they might even come out as low as like 58, but I don't, you know. They could just They could just test this. I mean, they could even hold this. Where they, the problem with what they did here is they left close to equal lows. You know, I don't like when they do that, man. Really. Yeah, this isn't too bad. They are kind of just holding the top here too, right? So, yeah, I don't know. I like the test of the breakout zone to be a little bit deeper, not just like just the tip. I like it to be like a little bit into the body of the breakout. You know, the monthly test is at 72. This 72. They're holding this. This is all inside trend on the monthly, right? So can't really it's really not the best thing to TA. You know, the only thing that I would be looking at, like on the longer term time frame, it's probably a short to down here. Dude, we're still in this? Let's go! We're still in this stupid short? I'm trying to rent these villas in Bali. And like, what a hassle, dude. So many people are like looky-loo, and you know, and they're all like, yeah, I want it. And then I'm like, okay, just leave the holding deposit. And then all of a sudden, no, then no one wants it. You know? Fucking waste of time. Fucking wear-outs, man, these people. I mean, Bitcoin is that kind of a short spot too, right? If Bitcoin really rejects this area pretty good, look out, man. I'm a little worried if BTC starts rejecting. If they start rejecting, like, it's going to be a bloodbath. Yeah, man. Tire kickers, I hate them. Okay, yes, man. You know, we came here. You know, we're in Bangkok. Just like fucking dump it for us. One time for Bangkok. Do it for Bangkok. Do it. I just hire locals, man, for prop. I have a villa manager, but I don't trust anybody to handle like the customer contact. It's the most important part of the business, right? So I handle all the Airbnb and all the customer contact and all the bookings. It's really not that big of a deal. And then I have staff to do the rest. Like I have staff for check-in and staff for like operations manager, and you know, if anything's broken, deal with the things that are broken and get people to come in there and fix it or whatever. Russell looks like they're gonna gain here. Looking like they want to gain. They did have a failure, you know? This is a failure. I didn't even check like where we're at or what we're doing. Just playing like the small time frame because I'm drunk. I'm just taking another one here, man. Fuck it. And then one runner. That's it, man. That's all. What are we at today? Can we have a drunk winning day? Yeah, $100, man. Let's go. Yeah, $63 realized. I should just take the rest of this right now. Mathematique will get mad at me. Look, it would have hit my target. Son of a bitch. I'm flattening the rest of this. Thank you, sir. I flattened it. Look, I should have kept it, man. I know. Big problem I have. Big problem I have is getting out of positions early is my number one problem. But I made $116 today. So it's okay. Gotta remember this is on micros on a $1,000 account. Imagine I was on a $150,000 account. What would that be? It'd probably be $1,000. Yeah, probably. You're probably right. Yeah, no doubt. If you're trading prop firms, though, you need to be results oriented. The whole fucking thing is based off of results and not having like big down draw. Really. You can't let your trades run. There's like lots of shit. I think I might take another short here on this guy too, honestly. Just one. It's a stop. Nah, it's a $20 stop. Let's just go one. Let's just do one, man. He's gonna do one. Might do two. What's up, Ken? Welcome back. Welcome in. You made it. You made it for drunk Jay. Drunk Jay in Bangkok. He's here. He's drunk. He's in Bangkok. We just got back from Sukhumvit 11. I don't think there is any prop firms for stocks, man. I don't think this holds, man. I think they're gonna dunk it. They're prop for stocks too? Oh really? Wow, I didn't know. That's the first one I've ever heard that does that. Really, like the aircon in here is it's literally like a fucking fridge, man. get stopped out. This was a shit trade. Really. Not the greatest. It's not really at the zone yet, you know? I think I might flatten this thing. I think I might flatten this one out. Take my $9 loser. Don't really like it. Don't really love it. Not in love with it, you know? What do you think of this, Math? Right here? Maybe. Maybe for a scalpy? Maybe. Gonna have to be a pretty close stop though. Really? Don't want it any lower. I'm not trying to get much, just like a scalp out of it. And another 20 bucks. Not quite. I'm gonna do one more. Here we go. 30 bucks. Another 30. Add it to the bank. No, no, no. Just pump it, man. I think I missed my opportunity to scalp this. Take the $17 or whatever, sure. We got 130 for the day, boys. After fees, it'll probably be like around 110. Oh, I should have stayed in this one. Look at this. Wow. Son of a bitch. That would have worked. Yeah, good thing I got out of that trade. I would have been stopped out right here and lost 50 bucks. Instead, I made 30. I don't miss Canada or the States at all. At all. Not even a little bit. The only thing that kind of sucks in Bali is the internet connection when I'm not at my house and like when I'm not at my office. When I'm at my office, the internet connection is perfect. It's awesome. I get 200 up, 200 down, and it's great. And in Thailand here, the internet connection has been fantastic. Even at a rental. So really good. Yeah, I'm out of all positions. I can look at this. The thing that I kind of missed about Canada and the US is like there's there's language barrier here, right? A lot of people here, they do speak English, right? But it's not like they speak English, they speak English a little bit. So like even with my girlfriend, man, like she can speak English, but it's there's always communication stuff where I have to like explain what I mean, you know what I mean, in like simpler terms. Am I a cotton guy? What the hell does that mean, man? What the hell are you talking about? Don't I feel lonely? I mean, you take the good with the bad. It like making friends here it's fucking hard because who stole Dope's trading style? Man, Dope didn't invent price action. There's many different ways that price action is taught. I took like 5 different courses in price action. Dopes was one of them. Dopes is a good course. I can recommend it. But I'm not the cotton guy or whatever. I'm a guy. I use ICT's concepts all the time too. You know what I mean? Like it's like I don't know what you're insinuating there. But Dope's I'll flat out say that Dope Trade Sumo has a good course. I took it, and it's good. It concises down price action pretty well. Out of the 5 courses that I took, his was the second best. You know what I mean? So like, I don't know. What do you want me to say? Yeah, the guy's name is he's just a guy that we know, Dope Trades. He rebranded to Trade Sumo, and he has a course. Which is best? I would say an ICT is just as, if not best, just as good as Dope's. But it's all relative, like it's all the same shit, man. Really, it all just teaches the same fucking shit. They just call it different things. You know what I mean? Like the failure to gains, or the breakup structures and the retest. Like it's all the same fucking shit, right? Yeah. I don't try to get any, like, it's not like I took dope's stuff and I'm trying to make money off of it. I'm just streaming my trading, you know what I mean? I don't give a shit what you guys do. All I ask is for a free sub. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to grow a fucking community here. It's not like I'm putting out my own course and teaching it. And I'm like getting money for the course or whatever. I'll never do that. I won't. If anything, I'll talk to Dope and get a link from him, a referral link, and push people to him. I don't have time to fucking be making a course. I don't care. I just don't care enough. Yeah, I'm not a failed trader. I make money trading. I'm doing it live here for you guys, even though this is all just scalping on a small account. But you know, every day I come here and I make like $100 to $200. You know what I mean? It's pretty good for $1,000 account. Not bad. I started this with $500. I have 150K that's just in process. It's coming in. So we'll start seeing some big numbers. I heard the big numbers bring the people. I have not, Lev. I don't know really what you're talking about too much. All I do is trade charts. What prop firm do you use for crypto? I don't really use a prop firm for crypto. I just use my own money. Oh, the crypto chart. Yeah, sorry, Ken. I'll get on that. Let me just have a look at it. What do you got here? Oh my god, one of these guys again? Let's have a look. Holy shit. Holy shit, dude. It's a pretty epic failure to gain up here. And then they've taken the liquidity now underneath here. This is the area to hold, this range. Second test on this failure to gain. Third test, actually. No, this is the area to hold. But you need to see something on a. So you know, you're not wrong to buy this area. You know. Especially this, you know, you're not wrong to buy that, but you need to see something materialize a little bit more on the higher time frame. Oh my god, wow, look at this. What is going on here? So coming down, let's have a look. This is the 1 hour coming down. Not gaining the 1 hour, right? This is the 1 hour. This would be the 1 hour spot for a turnaround. So they didn't gain it. So I would expect them lower than this. So once they get below that, you want to look for a gain of a 1 hour. So first below this, first below 0.0196. I would think. Or if they start gaining up here, then you know, then you're good to go. Yeah, crap coin for sure. They still work with TA, but you know, it's with price action. So as far as the lonely thing, yeah, you know, it is kind of hard to make friends because I live in a place where everyone is fucking transient, right? Like people don't come to live in Bali. People come to Bali for like 2 weeks or for like 2 months or whatever. So like I was making a bunch of friends. I'm a pretty outgoing person, so like it's not an issue for me to make friends. But I just started giving up after a while because every friend that I made just fucking left. So I was like, well, I'm gonna stop pouring energy into this because this isn't worth it. So I kind of just hang out with my girlfriend most of the time. But like, you know, it's like I live like a fucking king over here, right? So like, it's really not. It is what it is. Like, it's just. Is she a ladyboy? No, she's just a regular girl. Yeah, no doubt, mathematique. It is true, but like I said, man, it's like it's near impossible, dude, to make friends. Like I've only met a couple expat friends that actually live there, and even the expats that live there, they usually don't stay. They're only there for like half the year, most. Yeah, well, I'm making that right now on a $1,000 account. So once I have a funded prop firm account. I'm in Bangkok right now, and I just haven't had the time to get it all set up. But it's funded and ready to go. So once I have a funded prop firm, once I have that account ready to go, instead of trading 1 or 2 NQ contracts, it's going to be like 5 to 10. Right? So I'll be making much more than 100 to 200 a day, more like 1,000, or like 500 to 1,000. No, it's not really difficult. You can get anything you need, but the like technology stuff, you know, like computer stuff like that, you're paying a premium on. But you can get whatever you want. Like I have a 49-inch Samsung monitor back home. Yeah, except for true friendships. It's true, bro. It's true, bro. You can get everything you want except for true friendships. Hey, you guys want to come over to Bali? Harsh truth, no doubt, man. But it's true, man. Like, you know, it's a very transient place, right? Like people they're not staying there long term. Yeah, I'm gonna get a dog. That's a good idea, Lef. That's okay. The dog can stay home. You'd be surprised too. Most bars there will let you bring your dog right in. It's fine. Look at this failure now. I should have held on to this position. God damn it. Instead of 100, instead of 130 bucks, I could have made 300. Yeah, of course it's more funny with the boys. I don't even go to the club with my girlfriend, man. It's a waste of time. think they dumped this range too, man. Honestly. I think we're gonna see what happens down here. This liquidity zone here. It's kind of where I'd be looking. See if they hold that. At this point, they got some work to do, even, you know, up here. You shorted the top. I did too, but I just took my profits and ran. I had shorts on ES and on Russell. This been done? This been done? This has all been done. Yeah, they're gonna turn this around, I would think, relatively soon. Like I said, I like this area here. Little liquidity zone. We'll see if they pump that. $30 to 20, 31. This isn't a bad zone to buy. Take some longs here. Not too bad. Just for a little scalpy. It's kind of a bigger stop. Be right back, boys. I'll be right back, boys. I just gotta let my girlfriend in. Right, boys, I'm back. I'm back. Looks like ES got to my zone. That would have already been a decent trade. Should have left that. Let's see the account at $130. $130 today. Not bad. It was pretty much all winners today, right? Yeah. All winners, 100%. Not too shabby. That's for Chica, no? Huh? Oh, you bought one out there? Yeah. Didn't even check the news calendar here. Are we have news today? Shit, there was at 8:30. Oh no, today's Tuesday. Sorry, my bad. Oh no, today's Monday. Look at this thing too, man. God damn it. Sticking my trades a little bit longer. Wonder if this will hold. How about what if FTT works out? No, like that would work out perfectly. Like that's kind of what you want to try to do is doesn't matter how much you're making as long as you're consistent, right? And like you need to be consistently making that all the time, like every day. So if your baseline's 1,000, as long as you're making 1,000 every day, then your consistency is at 0%, right? So like you're good. Sure, yeah, you just need to buy the accounts. They cost around 300 each if you get them on a deal, 400 if you don't. Yeah, it's exactly better to shoot for like $300 to $400 a day, in that range, or like, you know, between 2 and 6 is what you should be shooting for, because some days you're going to be not having good, right? It's going to be on your losing days. You should only get like, you should be losing like 100 or 2. Try to lose 100 or 2, 300 max. If you can't make $5 a day, why try to make 1K a day? I don't know what you mean. I can definitely make $5 a day. I can definitely make 500 a day, most likely. We'll see when I have the account up. You know, I used to have big accounts, right? I sold everything to buy villas. I figure I can just build up small accounts again. It's not a big deal. For funded, yeah, like scalping is, you need to have all your trades closed by the end of the day, right? So for a prop firm account, you kind of need, a lot of your money needs to come from scalping. Oh, I see. No worries. Yeah, they're cash flowing like crazy now, so you know, it's just, this is all, I just finished them, right? So it's, all the money's there right now. Every month I make like 15 grand there, so like, it's fine. Yeah, 1K, doing 1K every day, it would be very hard to be consistent like that. You're gonna have bad days, everybody does. I already took long on NQ. Yeah, like they held this, right? So, you know, kind of looks like they're good spot to hedge for sure, 100%. I have a really tight stop, so it's probably gonna get stopped out. You only trade Sol. That's funny. All right, looks like we're pumping a bit here. I might just take another 25 bucks to the bank account here. 30 bucks. Thanks. All right, what are we on the day here, boys? $1,000 account. Today we made 150 bucks. You know, when you grow your account by 10% in one day, you can't really complain, man. That's all I try to do, you know. The really easier, like, once you know the inflection points of the market, it's really easy to know where potential bounces could happen. All I'm looking for is a bounce. At least right now with the small account, I don't have enough contracts to have runners. But usually, if I have 5 contracts, 3 will be coming off very, very quickly, and then 1 will be for in range, and then 1 will be a runner. That's it. Last question on Bali, shoot. Well, like, the everyday things, cost of living and food is very cheap. You can get things delivered to your hand for like you can get a decent meal delivered to your hand for like $5. You don't even have to leave your house, you know? And then houses, it's ridiculous, man. I paid for a 3-bedroom villa on a rice field, you know. Show you guys. This is a view from the backyard. This thing costs 120. I have 3 of them. So it's 3 bedrooms. $120K. Now I don't own them though. It's like a long-term lease. I own it for 30 years, and then I can transfer that lease if I want. So if I want to sell it, I can sell it. $120 was all in with everything, basically around. $150 on the day. Should have stayed in this trade a little longer, but it's okay. No, you don't own the foreigners can't own land, really. But you can have very long-term leases. Yeah, it's a cash flow play. Like I'm making 30% return on the properties per year. So like after 4 years, I'm gonna be 100% return. So whatever happens after that doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? It's fine. And like, there's no way I could have like what would I have got back home for 400 grand? A fucking shoebox, you know? A shoebox that even if I did rent it, I wouldn't get as much money as I am for renting 3 of them out. So it didn't make sense. And like, so the land, you don't own it, but like you can extend it indefinitely, right? So like I can extend it, and like to own or to the land is like the going rate for land right now is like 25 million for 10 years. That's like $1,500 per era. So, you know, it's dirt cheap for to rent the land. You know what I mean? It's not very. And then honestly, in 40 years, I'm gonna be dead anyway, so whatever. Nah, it's not really how it works, dude. We definitely signed contracts legally, you know what I mean? So legally I own it for already for 30 years. There's nothing the landowner can do about it. I mean, at the end of it, if he didn't want to extend it, but it's in the contracts that you can extend it. You can put it in the contracts that you have first right for refusal to extend. So yeah, local can buy for sure, but foreigners cannot. Even the longest a foreigner can own for, if you do it through a company, you can own for 100 years. Yeah, I mean, if they didn't do it properly and they didn't do their due diligence, and you know, there's many scams that are happening in Bali all the time. So if you don't do it correctly, then for sure you could get fucked. But if you've had it legally done with a notary, there's nothing you can do. I mean, it's in the database already with under my name. It's, you know, it's over. This would have been my profit target here on NQ. I should have left it. The problem I have pushing early. Yeah, foreigner can buy with a company, but even with a company, you still can only own it for 100 years is the max. Like I have a company there too. Also, freehold land is way more expensive too. It's like triple the price. Yeah, a lot of should have left it, no doubt. This one too. You told me, Math. You told me to leave it, and I didn't listen, man. Yeah, that's my thinking, Lev. Really, I'll be dead in 100 years, so it really doesn't matter to me. Yeah, the problem is, I normally do, Monkey. Really, I do. Like, but the problem is when I'm building this small account, I don't have the contracts to leave a runner, right? So I have to take profits. Like this one, I only had one contract, so I need to take profits while I have it. And then this one also, I only had two. I took one here, and then I pushed the other one here. If I had five, yeah, 100%. I would have taken one here. I would have taken one here. I would have taken one here. I would have taken one here, and then probably left one as a runner down to here. Yeah. When I have a proper account, 100% I will play it like that. But just when you just have one contract or two contracts or even three contracts, kind of rough. Like 3 contracts, you should be taking all PTs in range. Dude, I gotta get you guys modded, man, so you guys can take care of this shit for me. Because I have to like jump out and go to like a different screen here. Just ban these fucking idiots, man. No one cares about your viewers, you know? Cheap viewers. Just get the ban hammer on this guy. Boom. Anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping in, man. I promise I'll get the 150k account rolling for next stream. We'll try to get it set up for tomorrow. This was just, I was so late coming in here. You took profits on CL, good. Let's check it. Yeah, I got to the zone, yeah. Little front run of it. They could go a little bit higher, but this is the area to fail, right? So, let's see. Good trade, man. Good trade. Big account, small account, doesn't matter. Well, it matters if you can only afford to take out 2 contracts or 1 contract. Then it matters, right? That's the only thing I mean. Like if you only can take out 1 contract, you only have 1 position. It's different in crypto. You can make your positions worth as much as you want, right? But in futures, you need to take at least 1 contract, right? If you can take only 1 contract, you need to take yeah, exactly, Math. You need to be able to risk it. It needs to be able to be risked properly. Like I can only I'm not risking things properly even right now with the size of the account and the contracts that I'm taking. I'm risking like 5% per trade. It's still way too high, right? But there's no other way to do it when you're trying to do like a challenge. I'm trying to do a challenge where I challenge myself to build a $500 account. Well, I think it's 12 o'clock here in New York, so I think I'm just gonna leave it there for today, boys. We had an alright day. Not bad for some drunk fucking trading. 100% in the win column. 160 bucks. Not bad. That's a 25. That's like a 25. No, like a 15% gain on the account. Around 15%. Not bad. Not too shabby for today. Not too shabby at all. Yeah. 1246 we're at. Be a little bit less with the fees. Thanks, brother. All right, boys. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. I will look into I'll look into getting that thing set up. I have the Rhythmic Trader ID and stuff already, so I just need to like put it into you know, action and make sure it all works. And then we will be trading 5 to 10 NQ contracts. Whew. That's gonna be it's gonna be exciting, man. It's gonna be exciting. The goal with that is to get to 7.5k, and then we can request payout as long as everything's good, everything's consistent enough. Which I think I can. The way I trade, I think I can make it consistent pretty easily. Like I always just try to make $300 to $500, so it should be pretty easy to do. All right, so I'll get that set up for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I'll work on the YouTube videos too. If you guys are new here, you haven't checked out the YouTube channel, you know, check it out. Put it in the chat here, YouTube. Oh shit. Chat here, YouTube. So you can check out all the socials there. But yeah, we'll be putting out the. I think what we're gonna change. I was doing top 50 crypto. I think I'm gonna change it, man, because it's a lot. We're probably gonna do the top 5 crypto, and I'll probably put in on the NQ, ES, and Russell, and maybe CL, because I know some of you guys traded, so I'll put in CL too. Something like that. I'll put in five of the majors anyway. And then we'll do 2 videos a week. We'll do one for top 5 crypto and one for the major markets. I think that's going to be easier. It won't be like an hour video. I don't think anyone's watching the full hour of that video anyway, so it'll be something a little bit more digestible. All right, boys. Have a good one. Appreciate you all. Yeah, Bitcoin will be in the top 5 crypto, right?